Hello everybody, this is George Ponder for WPCentral.com. Got an app spotlight for you on the Windows Phone app NASA Ringtones. And what NASA Ringtones is, it's a collection of sound bites from various space missions from NASA that spans probably 50 years or more. You've got ringtones from shuttle and station missions, Apollo and Mercury missions, current missions such as the satellite missions to Saturn, and then various beeps and bytes. They're spread out in 4 little categories. We'll just go to Apollo and Mercury. Each category or set of ringtones has a nice looking wallpaper to it. Kind of wish the wallpaper could be saved to your Windows Phone to be used as a wallpaper on your device. But you've got preview buttons and then your save buttons. You just tap the play. Okay, and if you want to have the Eagle has landed soundbite as your ringtone, you just tap the save. Pulls up the familiar save ringtone screen where you can rename it and make it as your ringtone. Just hit the check mark and the ringtone's saved. All in all, there's about 24 different ringtones that span the 4 mission sets. We've got the Sputnik beep. As well as launch commentary, astronaut commentary.
Affirmative. That was definitely an e-ticket. Roger that, Sally.
So it's a little bit of everything. NASA Ringtones. It is a Mango app. There is a free trial version available with a full version running 99 cents. It's available over at the Windows Phone Marketplace, and we'll have links to the Marketplace in the post.